Hello everybody, I'm Urvashi. Welcome back. And today in this video I'm going to be talking about Jupiter's transit over natal Venus and natal Saturn. So let's suppose you have your natal Venus in a particular zodiac sign, and when you're watching this video, then you have transit Jupiter transiting over that natal Venus of yours. So what happens? Jupiter, like I've mentioned earlier, is the biggest benefic, is the planet for luck, is the planet for expansion, is the natural significator of the 2nd, 11th, 5th and 9th houses. These houses are connected to wealth. Its Mool Trikona is Sagittarius, which falls in the 9th house, which is the house of Bhagya or luck or destiny. So these themes Jupiter will have in its transit over Venus. This is the impact Jupiter is going to have over Venus. It is going to expand Venus. It is going to make Venus, beneficial for you, at least for that span of time. Now it all depends on the dignity of Venus in your chart and the houses that Venus rules. So first of all, you have to see what all houses Venus rules, because those things of course will get enhanced. The second thing you have to see is the dignity of Venus. Is Venus afflicted? Because if Venus is afflicted, then you may not feel or the benefit results of the transit as much as you may feel if Venus is well posited and strong and not afflicted in the chart. So it depends on Venus's dignity, and it also depends on the houses Venus rules. But the natural significations of Venus will be positively impacted by Jupiter. The intensity of how much depends upon Venus's own dignity. So Venus is the natural significator of relationships. Venus is also the natural significator of luxuries, comfort, enjoyment. Venus is all kinds of relationship, not just a love relationship, all kinds of relationship. And Venus is the attraction. How much attraction do you have? How attractive are you? Depends again on your Venus. So what kind of relationships do you build? Are you open? Are you close to other people? Do you come across as a pleasant person? Do you come across as a closed person? That all depends on Venus. So when this big benefit Jupiter travels over Venus, it is going to expand Venus. So naturally you're going to feel more attractive, you're going to feel more open, you are going to feel more attractive, others will be attracted towards you. So your social circle is definitely going to increase. Naturally, when you're open to others and others are attracted to you, your social circle is going to increase. The scope of entering a new relationship becomes very enhanced in this transit. All kinds of relationship, any previous relationship that you're into is also going to become sweeter than usual. There may be more sentimentality now, more emotions and more love in that relationship, and new relationships can also occur. Sometimes there can be also very short-term relationships, falling for somebody, just falling in and then falling out of love. Those kind of small relationships that don't go a long way can also be a part of this transit. So relationships are going to be enhanced, meeting new people, looking attractive, feeling good about yourself, wanting more comforts, luxuries. You may tend to spend more on yourself. You may want to beautify yourself more, maybe go out and do something about your hair, start using more makeup, being more conscious about the way you dress, spending money on your clothes, spending money on jewelry. So there's going to be a strong desire for having luxury, for living in a luxurious way, and more you will feel happy and more satisfied if you have some luxury around you, if you're able to spend a little more. So the tendency to spend will be there. So here you got to be cautious of overspending. The tendency will be there of using your credit card too much, because the pull is going to be there. You're going to be attracted to buying things, buying jewelry, spending on yourself, buying clothes, buying maybe a vehicle, maybe decorating your home, having nice, pleasant environment around you, making your house pretty or whatever. So spending in decoration of your home. So be careful about how you use your credit card. There is a scope in such a transit of overspending and then getting into trouble. You will want to be more comfortable, more luxurious. You will want to relax and enjoy more. Vacations can be a part of this transit. Socialization, meeting friends, getting into relationships, going out for movies, going to beauty parlors, just getting your hair done and whatever, getting your entire look changed. All that is a part of this transit. So a little bit of pampering should be done. You should do something that makes you feel good, even if it's buying a basic thing that gives you a little bit of comfort, will make you feel very happy. So anything that you feel you should buy that will bring you some kind of comfort, you should actually go for that in this transit, because definitely that is going to increase the happiness factor in your life. But you got to be careful about not taking a lot of credit or becoming very, very indisciplined where your budgeting is concerned. So indiscipline can be there. A lot of laziness can be expected. Naturally, you would want to enjoy and relax and be surrounded by luxuries and go for a vacation and not work too hard, So there can be a tendency of getting lazy. There can be a tendency of being indisciplined. There can be a tendency of spending too much. There can be a tendency of overindulgence. So these things you have to be wary about. But for comfort, for wealth, for luxuries, for feeling happier, for better relationships, for new relationships, for buying some kind of a luxury item, like this is the best transit. So it's a good transit. So whatever difficulties you're having, if whatever they may be, there could be relationship issues, there could be financial hardship, somehow you're going to attract some positivity into your life. Somehow you're going to be attracting that luxury factor into your life. So you may be just buying that one thing that makes you feel very good during this transit. And somehow there will be opportunities where you will be able to bring about some comfort, some luxury, some indulgence in your life. So indulgence is a part of this transit. Go ahead, enjoy it. Just don't overindulge. Then there could be trouble. So now I'm going to be talking about Jupiter's transit over Saturn. So Jupiter, of course, is going to expand Saturn as well, like it expands all the other planets. And here you will be more aware. Saturn is the natural significator of Karam, work, of the 6th house. Saturn is also one of the significators of the 10th house. The natural lord of the 10th house, also Capricorn, is ruled by Saturn. So Saturn here is work. And Saturn is also the ruler of the 11th house, Aquarius, gains. You will be more aware of what your ambitions are, what your desires are, what you want in life, where you want to be in life, what your own limitations are, who your enemies are, what kind of conflict you are stuck in, what kind of situation are you stuck in, what is stopping you from achieving that ambition. So the awareness is going to be there. Whatever your present circumstances are, wherever you're stuck, because of which you're not able to move forward, is going to be a frustrating factor during this transit, and you will find ways and means of breaking from it. It's a good transit actually. It's a good transit for helping you face your responsibilities, face your liabilities, face your conflicts, make the right effort, understand your own limitations as well as the circumstantial limitations that are there around you. It's going to help you reassess your own limitations and your own capabilities, and it's going to help you work towards a situation where you break free, from the circumstantial limitations. So if you're stuck in a circumstance, let's say, because Saturn rules the natural 10th and 11th house, you have a career and you're not happy with, and you're aware that your limitation is, that your qualification is such that you're stuck with this career. So awareness of this not being the right profession for you, awareness of your own limitation of not being qualified well enough, and then the awareness or the strength to cope with this limitation by taking up some educational course so that you can change your career, that kind of a thing. Something that will help you break free of your negative situation is what is going to be in this Jupiter's transit over Saturn. So you will be aware of what you don't want, why you're in this situation, what is bad about it, what are my limitations, why am I stuck in this situation, how can I get out of it, that kind of a thing, and you will start working towards it. If you need to move away from one place to another, let's suppose you feel the city I'm living in, these are the kind of opportunities that are here, I need to move out from this place to a bigger place, to a better place, I need to move out of this particular boss, he is not going to let me grow for whatever reason. So my limitations are that I got to do this in order to move. Maybe you need to connect with other people on LinkedIn. Whatever be the issue, whatever be the limitations, whatever you need to do to get out of that situation is going to be your awareness, and you will be able to take the right effort to break free from the situation by taking up new education, by connecting with more people, by working harder, by making a better strategy, and by moving towards and then you will start moving towards a better future. So that is how this transit works. It helps you face your responsibilities, face your liabilities, face your limitations. It helps you focus more on your ambitions, dreams and desires and what you really want. It helps you break free from what you are stuck in by working and starting something, working hard towards. There could be an opportunity for some education, maybe there could be an opportunity for relocating somewhere, of working with a newer organization. That could involve a lot of hard work, but that may give you a lot of freedom. So wherever you're stuck, there will be opportunities coming your way. You will be aware of your desires and dreams and breaking free from whatever current circumstances are. Effort is going to still be involved. So gear up, get ready to work hard, but it's time to break free of the things that are just binding you down. So your limitations, you will be able to deal better with them during this transit. So that is all for now for this video. I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.